This video will discuss common and natural logarithms. When we talk about a common logarithm, we're usually talking about base 10. This means that we want to take the log base 10 of a number x. In fact, this type of logarithm is so common that often we omit the 10 and just write log of x, and this is assumed to mean the same thing as log base 10 of x. Another common logarithm is one that takes base e. E is a special mathematical constant that is equal to about 2.718. E is very important because it shows up a lot in nature, and we end up seeing it in many equations. So the log base e of a number x is termed the natural logarithm, and it's also written as the ln of x. So these two expressions mean the exact same thing. There is an important property of logarithm that allows us to change bases. So if we have the log base a of b, one way we can write this is log of b over log of a, taking the base to be any number c. So, for example, if I had log base 5, 25, then I could write that as log base 3 of 25 over log base 3 of 5, or I could have put in any number for 3 here. And so what people usually do is they let c equal 10 or e, just because those are the two most commonly seen logarithms. This allows us to evaluate expressions for logarithms using a calculator, because most logarithms only work in base 10 or base e. One interesting property comes from the change of base rule. So if we have log base a of b, we want to multiply it by log base b c multiplied by log base c of d. We can simplify this using something called the chain rule. We can rewrite these log base anything. I'm just going to use log base 10 here, the common log. Log of a times log c over log b times log d over log c. And now we see that we can cancel out a lot of our numbers, so that what we're left with is log d over log a, and then we can rewrite this as log base a of d. So in general, whenever you have expressions in a form something like this, then you can just cancel out numbers, and what you're left with are the base and the number here on the ends.